So now let's start. I want to let me bring out this first beam for you. This first log beam. Selection, come out. I'll draw it, you see. I want to draw this FBM1. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 support and 5 members. I hope you understand. Now, in this case now, that's the continuous beam. So in this case now, we are going to have the span reinforcement and what's it called? Span reinforcement and support reinforcement. So you want to draw that kind of support. So you take a what's it called? Simply supported beam, copy it, bring it out. I don't want this video to be too long. Copy it out and have it like this. Then you stretch, click on, look at the way I took my own mouse from here, put it like this, then S space bar. Hold your F8, click on your F8, sorry, stretch it out. Make it that this one is section 01, this one is section, this is section 01, this one also section 01, and this is FBM1. Remove this FBM1. You see, we are doing FBM1. So from support A to B, we have 5 meters. So you come here, pick the center, copy selection, then 5, 1, 2, 3, space bar. Then go back again, check 2, 4, 2, 5. Again, we have 2, 4, 2, 5, space bar again. Check again, 3, 8, 3, 8, 2, 5. You have 3, 8, 2, 5. You have 2, 8, 5, 0. You have 2850. Then we have 3825 again. I think that's the last 3825 space bar. So what we'll have again, so that's all. So now what the next thing that you do is that you stretch this very well so that you can make your own beam. You highlight everything like this, you click on your shift, you unclick the center one, space bar. You click on that center that you unclick, get from there, bring it to the hand here. You understand? So this 1, 2, 3, the third one you trim it here, the second one you trim it here, then the last one you trim it here. I hope you understand. This step upward. Now the next one here you trim it here. That's reinforcement. You trim this out also. This one too you trim it out. So this you erase it, then click on this, then you bring it here. So now we have the beam of 17.9 meters. So next thing is that you come here and CO space bar, don't forget, click on this, bring it here, drop it, drop it here, drop it here, drop it here. You understand? So now you have something like this. Now next thing is that you shape it out. Click on these two, trim this out. Click on this, trim this out. I think I will make the video continuous beam alone. Then what's it called? Simply supported beam alone. Then cantilever because I don't want it to be too long because of data consumption. So this also trim it. I just want you to understand how this step in case if you are to draw your home beam by yourself, the steps you trim this out also. Now, next thing is that you have your links. This is the links. They call it links. They call it stir up. Either of the two. So let me just scale this out so that I can show 1.2. I scale it 1 by 1.2 out. Then we have something like that. At least this should be kind of visible. So you have Y10 and 60. This is the Y10 60 of bar mark. Then 200 center by center stir up. Click on this, then bring it through. From here. Yeah. So you don't mind, though you can call it links, you can call it stir up. So now click on this one for I want to just show you this. Put it here. I did not move. Oh. Let me go back again. Control Z. I did not move the dimension. I just click on the dimension. I just click on this blue line and just bring it here. I did not move, I did not do anything. I just see, and I have my 5 meters. So now what I can do next is that I can just go to annotative, let's say continue. The continue is not, just click on it like this, then bring it here. You have a continue here. You can as well just do your dimension the way you are supposed to do, no problem. So then continue from there. Just easy way for me from there, from here. You understand? Now I have this. I have the reinforcement now all through. Now I want to show you now. Okay, I'm supposed to have my support reinforcement, my span reinforcement. Now, without not wasting time, I'll just come to this place. I have this. I have this. Click on both. Click at the center. Drop it here. So you know that my movement at support A is 0. According to our explanation yesterday. And okay, in this kind of scenario, this 2.4 meter is very small. It's very small to require, what's it called? To require a support moment. That means I'm going to ignore these two supports. I'll have this. Just watch. Don't worry. I'll have this. You learn by many works. I'll have this also. So all the 2, 4, 2, 5, everything is going to be a support moment because it's very small. The dimension is small. Also, this also is 2, 8. So you can start, putting your support reinforcement, let's say by 3 meter. I know you might have another question on this. I'm very sure of that because it's kind of confusing right now. Because this span is very small, you start putting your support and span reinforcement when it is above 3 meters. Do you understand? And this is 17 meters, if I can recall. The full beam is 17 meters. Then you have this is 17.9. So that means you are going to, your reinforcement is going to be at least, let's say, 12 meters. So click this from under, and you break the reinforcement here. You see, you break the reinforcement here, then you trim this out, trim this out, trim this out. Do you understand? So in that case now, you have something like this. Click this, drop it here, click this, drop it here, drop it here, drop it here. So this, you click on this, you raise this, click on this, you trim, I want to double trim, you trim this out, help together, this, trim this out, then you raise all this. All these, bar cutting length, they have, their own designated, what's it called, calculation, which I'm going to take that will be another time. At least now you have, let's say I want to have two. I'm just time conscious, I have two Y1601 as my span reinforcement. And you copy again, sorry, copy again. I have three, let's say three for my support reinforcement, two, copy again. I have two also for my, this is also a span reinforcement. The one that's inside, the middle one is also a span reinforcement, two, then three. You understand? And this is, let's say I want to use three also. I'm using two for my span reinforcement and I'm using three for my support reinforcement. This is just for example. According to design, the reinforcement number might be more than that. And I'm using two here for 5. And under, and all on your bottom reinforcement, everything is span reinforcement. So here we are going to have 3 words, 30606, and you come back again, click on this, then this also 307. I want to stop this video here because of I'm going to 10 minutes already. 307. See, this is what I have, as my continuous beam, how to draw it, and actually the location of the reinforcement. Your two, just for your two is for the span reinforcement, which is at the top, and three for span reinforcement at the bottom, and 3 for this is support reinforcement at the top, which is 3. This is 2, which is span reinforcements at the top, and this is 3, which is span reinforcement at the bottom. I hope you get that. And mind you, once your middle support, they are not up to 3 meters. This is how you are going to design it. This is how you are going to draw it. If your middle support, I mean the B, C, D, E, if they are more than the length, they are more than 3 meters. For example, look at support C and D. They are more than 3 meters. You see, this is how you're going to draw it. You understand? So, but if it is not more than that, like 2.4, 2.8, then you have to, lap it more than that. Hope you understand this. Let me stop it here now and continue the simply supported and cantilever beam.